Hello everyone, today we are introducing the new Huizi Shaping Gel Nail Set. Ultra-thin edges with a reinforced center. Shaping gel nail soft and flexible. Hardens once cured. How to apply. Prep, nail files with different grits. 320 grits to remove dead skin, and polish the nail surface. 150 grit to buff the nails. Clean with alcohol pad and let it dry. Choose the right size. Squeeze to shape it to match your natural nails. Remove it with index finger. Gently pinch the tip to create a natural curve. Start at the cuticle and press toward the fingertip. Press it middle to left to right. Use the sharp side of the wooden stick to press the edges, then rolling. Make sure to choose the right size tip. Perfect fit. Choose the direction that matched the width of your nail. Cue your tip extension part. Press both sides and shape. Slide and press to shape it with the nail shaping spotlight. Brush a layer of anti-stick sealant under the tip, then cure. Then it is all done. Perfect for everyday glam or special occasions. High-quality nails that won't interfere with your daily activities. Fully certified and safety tested. How to remove. Use the nail remover. Drip it into the nails and push back. It is done. Use a wooden stick to dip in and remove it gently. Clean nails with alcohol pads.